The 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, tow hitch, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.